We got somebody. Oh, it's not easy. That's got to be hard.
He knows I struggle with this belly. You could have stayed in there and run away. That's not what he plays skate. I don't know. I mean, we are, but it's a lot of work.
Pretty bad waves. Very bad waves. We're going to be on this one. Right along the type of Chattahoochee River. Boarding. Well, this is part 2. Now that people are actually going boogie boarding, where you can tape some. They're having the helmets for safety, which is very smart because there are so many jagged rocks, as you can see. Hopefully I won't fall in. I'm trying to walk over these rocks to get to something. It's insane. Oh, here goes our next one. Oh, and there's a plane up ahead. Bless you.
Oh, thank you. Alright, he's about to jump in. Just like that. Go.
You can't even see him.
Oh. Oh, he's riding.
Oh my gosh.
He's riding. Oh, whoa.
Holy cow.
Riding under the wave. Oh, yeah, I see that.
Ooh. He's doing some tricks. He's surfing. Now that takes balls. That's cool. That is bad ASS. Because this is some powerful water right now. Every morning they open the dam, which is all the way up ahead, so that the rafters and the kayakers and everybody can come out here and enjoy it on a beautiful day. And it's strong. Alright guys, we got a little bit. I don't think we're going to get much more. My youngest and my husband seem to be a little agitated. So it might be time for us to go. Maybe I can get the kayakers again. They look like they're going back in the water. Steph, the kayakers look like they're going back in the water. Let's see if we can get them. They're suiting up. Gotta be careful of snakes. There's a little calmer over here. I like it over here. People are fishing. I won't need to fish, but they're fishing. Who knows what's in this water? Besides catfish. But since this opened, this brings a lot of business. A ton. I think the the kayakers are going back in. As you see, they're getting ready. They're suiting up.
Oh, they're over there. He's getting ready to go.
Yes. Those yellow tubes, there's usually bigger ones, and usually 6 to 8 people come down this river in those. It's called the Whitewater Express, as you can see. But he has, it looks like one just for himself. But normally it's 6 to 8 people. You don't want to drag a boat like that. You're going to put a hole in it. Oh, they're doing it again. You can barely see it, but they're doing it again. That's got to take a lot of muscles. Oh, he was doing tricks. Spinning his board around. Rock on. There's so much to see if you just get out and see it. And this is free if you're just walking around. It might take you a little drive to get here, but it's free to just sit here, walk the river, stick your feet in this ever so untempting water. No, dear, we're gonna go. And apparently people take Christmas pictures. I'm a professional photographer. Okay. And this child's gonna put her feet in there anyway. Till you get bit by something. Like a water moccasin. Okay, so he's going in over there. So I can't. Children stress me out. I bet it is cold. Alabama and Georgia get very, very hot. Oh, here's a kayaker getting ready to go. Here we go. Something to see now. So you gotta have guts. That's where everyone's getting stuck.
William, come down and take a picture.
Oh, here comes some. Here comes some. Here we go. I'm glad you're able to see something. I was getting a little bit depressed that you guys weren't going to see anybody coming down. Sorry, this is going to be a really long video, but now they're coming down. The Whitewater people, they're coming down. I don't really know where to go. Here's another kayaker. He's the one that was just holding his boat, carrying it. I mean, look at the height he's getting. Oh, he has a webcam. Oh my God, he capsized. He's all right. He's all right. This is some serious water. This is no joke. This is not for the faint-hearted. There we go. Oh, look at that little kid. Good job, girl. Hang on to her. has webcams.
They must have to wait in line for a while.
Everybody gets stuck right there. This must be like Devil's Cove or something right there. Here comes more. We came at the perfect time for this. I'm so glad you guys are getting to experience this, because this is something. And right now there's a discount because it's off season. During the summer, forget it, it's expensive. But right now there's a big discount. And there's always like a professional in the back, just in case. My daughter just said the water's freezing. These look like soldiers from Fort Benning. Oh, he went down backwards. Smart. Some kind of strategy I don't know anything about. Well, guys, that's it for them. Some are trying to get back in the rapids. Some are trying to get out. But we're done here. Thanks for watching. As always, get out there and live life. You never know what tomorrow brings. Thanks, guys. Bye.